Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will learn how to create a trial in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. WordPress CSV Importer plugin is an all-in-one import tool that lets you get all your CSV/XML data into the WordPress website. You can import newly created data or update existing data on your WordPress website. To get started, head on to smackcoders.com. Here on the WordPress plugins, select WP Ultimate CSV Importer. To get your free trial for 7 days, click on this Try button. Now enter your name and email ID. Check on this I'm not a robot checkbox. And click on Get a Trial. Instantly, you will get your username, password and trial URL for your trial version of the extension. You will also get the trial details in your desired email address. Now you can access your trial by clicking on the trial URL. Log in with the username and password that you have received on creating a trial. Now you can easily access the trial version of the Ultimate CSV Importer here. With CSV Importer, you can effortlessly import, update, and export your CSV files with few clicks. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.